What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I got these realistic muddy inner fenders. I'm using Honey Brown acrylic paint, thinned 50/50 for a binder. Apply that at random to the underside of the tank. Then come over top with a weathering pigment. I'm using European Earth by Vallejo. Work the two together. If you notice large clumps of dried pigment, add a little more paint. This can take some time. Don't worry about how it looks. It's going to be very subtle in the background, but it's still going to be a noticeable detail that matters. I'm now using Thick Mud Weathering Effects by Vallejo. You're going to want to try to keep this towards the lower side so that the light colored dried mud can shine through and create contrast. I always enjoy doing jobs like these on builds. It's okay to be messy. It's okay to be random, ununiform, and get it places it's not supposed to be, because that's how it would appear in the real world. This can add 20 to 30 minutes. Now, it's up to your discretion if you want to add more onto the tracks, onto the rollers. And just like that, we're finished. What do you guys think? Does it look realistic to you?